big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be big.
I know.
Okay.
Hey, bro, I carry a whole kit with people be tripping, man, shaking and all. I'm like, you got the whole box. Got the whole, it's portable. Got the whole box.
Guys, we went to the first liquor store. We with the fellas. Everybody's all over the place, so we just about to have a good time and just chill. That's what's up. So look around. Let's get some sippy.
Hey, how's it going on?
Hey, it's good. What's up? They got it here. Get a little something. Get started. Kind of beers. I don't know. Some Cervezas. All kind of little stuff in here. Get the Modelo.
Anybody drink Modelo?
Yeah, eat Modelo.
Yeah.
Victoria. Yeah, red stripey. Look at stuff in here. Right. Look everywhere. What is that shit? Rama. Rim paste. Oh, this will go on the side. Okay.
Oh, flip or
What is that right there?
oh, right here. Here we don't ever get this. Oh,
Fish down there, Brent?
yeah, okay, yeah. He can stay down in Dallas right now.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I got down there in Dallas, Fort Worth.
Arlington.
And I got down in Arlington too. We're in East Texas, Jacksonville. We 30 minutes from Tyler. Tyler's more east.
Yeah.
So 30 minutes and we come.
Yeah, okay.
All down there. But yeah, we got a lot of the Harris family, the Jones, the Stewarts.
You said Tyler, Texas. I just watched the movie. She was on too, but I had to turn that shit off. The name of it was Tyler, Texas.
Yeah. You know that Tyler, Texas is probably one of the smallest, but it's the richest city in the whole of Texas, period. The richest of every one of the small
We got everything needed down there.
cost of living is cool.
Cost of living good, house.
Man, I went down to Texas.
Ain't too hot, ain't too cold, off the coast. So I love it. And then in Florida, we get some mad hot, but I appreciate it. Here it's like, wow, Orlando, yeah.
Okay.
Love Florida.
Change information.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, definitely get that.
Got you, though. We just was, woo.
It's a nice breeze. When it's hot, you can sweat going all sticky.
Yeah, you get the breeze come through, cool you off. Taco truck.
Yeah, just come with everything.
Let me get those fish tacos. Yeah, one plate.
Yeah, total four, but two on one plate.
What?
A little hub here in San Diego, a little spot. There's a lot of food trucks out here. you know, of this caliber, but
One of the best here.
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. One of the better ones, I can't find it no more.
Mm-hmm.
That one that used to be over there by the little Walmart over here. Yeah. This one's okay. They seem to like it, so
Okay.
you know it's on who flavor. You know
Yeah. For sure.
Never let me down. I
Yeah,
tell you, everybody out
Yeah, never let you down.
I tell you, I bring them right here. Fish tacos out here are amazing.
Which one you get? The Marlin?
No, I can't. What is it?
You got the regular.
Cod.
Yeah.
It's cod.
Cod.
But deep batter, fried hard, delicious. I mean,
Okay.
wow.
That's what's up.
That's how I keep my 132 pounds.
Hey!
Eat fish, baby. Eat fish.
All kind of fish, right?
That's what we didn't know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the soup. Yeah, they get it.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Everybody get one. How much? You only take cash, right?
This is a complimentary soup they give you guys. Got shrimp in it.
Yeah, a little shrimp, little. Almost like a filete mares, but they have a 7 seed soup, which is really,
Really good.
yeah, in different spots you go to.
Two Marlin tacos. Yeah. Yeah.
I was in Atlanta doing my cougar last weekend. My little young
And La Parlo, Del Pacifico, San Diego.
wants to say,
It's a soup.
hey,
So
baby,
when you order, you get that.
I hear him in the background.
That's what it says.
I want him to cover the phone up so he don't sound so live. But like he on the street, but he like,
It's
sir,
like a.
hey, come on, man.
Sound like he right there.
The dogs is doing their thing, man. They getting down. You missing a good one and shit like that. They did. So I said, I thought you let it. And so she hit it down there that checking in with that girl right now. When you're trying to be I put on the camera.
I got it. It's ceviche. It's really good.
Knuckle my ceviche.
I'm trying to wait for that motherfucker. What's that apple? Yeah, I mean, I'm allergic to that.
real?
Oh, you're allergic to avocado?
Shit tonight.
Oh, no, don't.
I go out.
Right,
I go out.
yeah, I need you to leave that alone.
Like, don't take no chance like that, bro. There's too much to do for you to be getting.
Yes, sir.
Come out.
Yeah, don't do that.
Right, my bad, dog.
I got that crispy extra cod tacos with the salsa on it.
Oh, that's chipper. That's
Somebody's up next.
Two fish. That's dope.
Yeah, this fit.
Yeah, that's two right there. Yeah,
That's two. My Marlin tacos are here, and they looking absolutely wonderful. Got a ceviche in my hand, some ceviche to that. But so far, it's good. So far, it's good.
But it's fish.
I'm gonna add some of that to that.
Yeah,
Got a little kick.
and that's actually fish. That marlin.
And that Marlin right here, baby. Add that to that. Got me some of the sauce right here. We're gonna add that sauce.
Quesadilla and the two.
Get that sauce added. That sauce to your taco.
One shrimp.
Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Eat it with a fork, or you can just grab it. These are flour tortillas. Look at that. One is good.
Bro, I wish I had got that. I got both of those. If I had known the fish like that, you gotta be kidding me, man.
We got the fish tacos, guys.
I got one fish, one shrimp.
One fish, and one shrimp. And it looks really good.
Yeah, this is good, yo. But that Marlin,
That Marlin ain't even turkey.
when I come back, that's all I'm getting.
I don't know what they
I'm
did
not
to
getting
it.
nothing else. It's smoked, bro.
Yeah, exactly. It's smoked.
That is awesome.
Man, this is bomb plus sign. And that's ceviche. I love ceviche. That's why I keep going back to this ceviche.
Oh, okay. The cilantro in there is that's my favorite herb, bro.
Yeah, sure. I'm in Orlando, so you get a lot of Spanish food, so
Okay.
it's right up my alley.